Don't shoot.
Oh, you speak English?
You just came through the gate. Oh my God, I know you. You're Bruce Graham. And you're Timothy Beals.
How do you know our names?
I don't even know how this is possible. You guys are dead. Thousands of years ago.
Yes and no. I mean, there's a perfectly good explanation.
The Testament does say that some may return one day.
The other me could have guessed we had gone back in time.
You have to come and meet the others. The settlement's not too far.
Lead the way.
No one's going to believe this. They're gonna freak out.
This is so cool.
When we heard the gate open, we thought maybe it was someone from Novus.
You mean this isn't it?
This place? No. Our people came here as part of an expedition. One of several sent out to find other viable worlds.
So you use gate travel?
We did, but one day something happened and we couldn't connect to Novus. All the other gates are out of range.
So you're just stranded here? How long ago did this happen?
Since before me and Jason were born.